How to service your AC at home. Introduction. Hello everyone. Welcome back to HVAC official channel. Is your AC not cooling enough? Or is your electricity bill too high? Often, the reason is just a dirty AC. Today, I will show you how to do a basic AC service at home by yourself. It is easy, safe, and will save you money. Safety. First, before we start, remember the most important rule. Safety first. Always turn off the power. Unplug the AC or turn off the circuit breaker. Never work on a live machine. Clean the air filters. Open the front panel of your indoor unit. You will see 2 plastic mesh filters. Pull them out gently. Wash them with normal tap water. Use a soft brush if they are very dusty. Let them dry completely before putting them back. Clean the evaporator coils. Once the filters are out, you will see the aluminum fins, the coils. Use a vacuum cleaner or a soft brush to remove the dust. Be careful. These fins are very sharp and can bend easily. You can also use a no-rinse AC coil cleaner spray to remove deep dirt. Check the drain pipe. Sometimes, water leaks from the AC because the drain pipe is blocked. Check the pipe where water goes out. Use a thin wire or high-pressure water to clear any blockage. This prevents water dripping inside your room. Clean the outdoor unit. Now, go outside to the condenser unit. Remove any leaves or grass near the unit. Use a garden hose to spray water on the coils. Note, do not use very high pressure, or you might damage the fins. Spraying from top to bottom is best. Conclusion. And that's it. A clean AC runs better and uses less power. If you do this every month, your AC will last much longer. Thank you for watching HVAC official channel. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy HVAC tips.